Welcome to another edition of our podcast, Your Focus-Driven Day with Lyman Montgomery. Hello, let me ask you a question. Are you really successful? Hello everyone, Lyman Montgomery here, the #1 focus acceleration coach in the world with another edition of Your Focus-Driven Day with your podcaster, Lyman Montgomery. Today we want to talk about success. And I want you to ask yourself this question that was asked to me. Are you really successful? You see, when it comes to success, we tend to always think in terms of money. We think in terms of a big house. We think in terms of maybe college degrees. But is that really being successful? Or is that actually an accumulation of stuff? You see, never confuse activity with accomplishments. Another way of putting it is this. Success is not defined by the accumulation of stuff that you possess. Then let me say this. There are 3 keys that I believe when it comes to being successful. Number 1, when it comes to being successful, you have to determine in your mind what success means to you. You see, no one can define success for you. I know people that don't have a lot of money, but they are very successful at raising children. Very successful at taking very little resources and being able to stretch those resources. They are successful. Point number 2, success is relative. You see, one person might say he's successful, she's successful, and to another person, that would not denote success. So success is relative. It depends on how you define success. And the third point when it comes to success is nobody, let me say it again, nobody can tell you what it means to be successful. You have to determine for yourself what it means to be successful. See, all of us are successful in certain areas. For example, I know people that are very successful when it comes to cleaning a home. Very successful when it comes to detailing a car. Successful when it comes to education. Successful when it comes to business. Find out what you are good at, and that will be success to you. So again, never allow someone to define if you are successful. If you believe you are successful, then my friend, you are indeed really successful. Well, I'm out of time, but never out of things to say. Until next time, stay safe and always stay focused.